I'm Trent Hendricks. I'm the managing partner of Cabriejo Ranches. We are located in southern Missouri, just outside of West Plains. We raise cattle and sheep. Our primary focus is on raising Dorper sheep and Dorper crossbred sheep here in the Ozarks. So as our operations have expanded, it's become clear that we wanted to be more efficient with our time. And as we evaluated the options out there, we kept coming back to Te Pari, and so we visited with a few other producers that had used it and felt like it was going to be a viable piece of equipment for us. We are processing, receiving, and shipping lots of sheep every week, all year long. And the solutions that were available to us, quite frankly, just didn't check enough boxes until we found the Te Pari system. The clamp feature, which kept the sheep from being immobilized, but kept it from being restrained other than just being caught, that's something that really appealed to us. It's just like manually holding a sheep, but its head and feet are free, which goes a long way to lowering the stress on the individual animal. It was obvious to us immediately that the designers understood the psychology of sheep, and that was a real big plus for us. It's very adaptable. We can either speed it up or slow it down based off of our needs. We can send a variety of different animal types through it, and it's just an incredibly flexible and durable piece of machinery. Depending on how many people and how many processes we're doing per lamb, we've actually achieved run rates of in excess of 500 lambs per hour. We could never approach half those numbers in our handling methods prior to the Te Pari, and the stress on animals and people was much higher. Let's say the Te Pari has made inter-family relationships improve by reducing the stress at animal working sessions. We have built this operation for the children, and we've made investments for the children, and that meant investing in the right equipment and design and facilities to keep them safe. The Te Pari allows you to capture pretty much any data you want, go through any processes you want. It's portable. I love the fact that it's well built, and I have no doubt that it'll give us lots and lots of years of life. We are able to group lambs much more consistently, and when we can ship full truckloads of lambs within a 5-pound bracket, we can demand a premium from our buyers. I would make the argument that it's a marketing tool because we are able to add value and demonstrate that. Before, we were sorting lambs on eyeball. Today, we ship loads of lambs based off of a 5-pound spread or less, thanks to the Te Pari. Implementing the functionality and the features of the Te Pari Racewell has undoubtedly made us a more professional operation, which has saved us in labor, saved us in stress on animals and people that ultimately does contribute to the bottom line. But in addition to that, it's allowed us to market a higher end product, both in live animals and on the rail as a meat product, because we're delivering consistency. And at the end of the day, it's been my experience over several decades in this business that it is better to deliver good consistently than excellence inconsistently. And the Te Pari has made us much more consistent.